Are you going to show off all the things? Yay! Good job, bud. With the turkeys. We're going to get in the zebra. Oh yeah, look at you. You're skateboarding like a champ. He's like, found out. Turbo. Good job, buddy. You're trying to get on with all of the feet. All of the feet. Alright, come on. You in the dog walk? Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, we missed the up contact. But, see if we get the down contact. And we got it. Good job, little man. Alright, ready? Ready? Good job. When you go through the tire? Yay! Through the tire! Ready? You gonna go over the jump? Ready, Turbo? Yay! Look at you! Like a pro. Ready? Go in the tunnel. Look at you! Like a professional. Like a professional. Like a professional agility dog. And a big boy tunnel. You are the smartest. Are you the smartest puppy on the planet? Oh my goodness. You want to do the big boy tunnel again? You want to get it? Go, Turbo. Up, 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 up. Turbo. Up, 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 up. This way. Turbo. There you are. There you are. Hi, little man. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Good job. Oh, you're the smartest, You want to try to go in the tunnel again? Ready? Oh, you're going to go over the jump? Come on. Here, come here. Yes, good job. Hope you missed your turkey. Good boy. Come here, bud. Turbo. Want to go through the tire? Yes, good job. Good tire, buddy. Ready? Come on. This way. You go up the dog walk? Yes. Good job. Good boy. I know it's a little bit taller, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Oh, good boy. Look at you. Look at you. You don't have to get on from the low end. You can get on from the high end. Ready? Yay! Goodness. Come here, buddy. Turbo. Oh, Turbo. Look at that. Good job, buddy. Get a nice 2 on 2 off. Come here. Oh, yep. 2 on 2 off like a pro. Got some turkey on the wobble board. Did you get the wobble board? Good boy. Boy, ready? Are you going to get the teeter? All the way? Good boy. Come on. That's a good boy. Yes, good job, buddy. Good boy. You gonna go in the tunnel? Turbo! Yay, good boy. Come in. Come on, kid. That's my big boy. Look at that. Come on. You coming? Are you coming? Look at you, buddy. What a big boy you are. Right here? Yes! Good boy, Turbo! Good job! You're the smartest dog on the planet, huh? With some good tunnel action. And a nice day, too. Even if we had a little bit of a turkey bait. What a good boy! Oh, you're so silly. We're so silly. You want to do it again? Want to do it again? Here, buddy. Okay, go get it. Go, go, go. Come on, Turbo. Yay, Turbo.